Nice. So I was flying over here, came through there, and just lost connection. Total disconnect of video. I have this grabber. Crushing your head.
You're boring me. I'm crushing your head. I'm crushing your head.
Yeah, I have this grabber so I can put down the quad after I arm it. And it's about 29 degrees, so I'm only going to fly for about 2 minutes. Looks like we're still good. Take off from over here. Flying today is just not freaking working for me. So I just did my walk of shame. I was trying to lower flips and rolls closer to the ground versus up all the way up in the air, and I got a little nervous on that last one. I don't know why. I need to stop freaking out. There's the van over there, so I'm all the way over here, like walking back, and my back is not doing well. I had the back of my van open, and I had the heat pretty much full blast. And so you basically just have to stand here as the heat's coming out. So, hey, do what you can to fly FPV. That was fun. Trying to do some low flips and rolls. I gotta get over the whole thing of being scared of this stuff. That was my last flight. John is getting toasty. So yeah, that's my last flight. I'm out of here. It's too cold.